Good morning, Ming. This is trading day, the 25th of June, 2020. We do not have very many days left, and the market's moving a lot. Lots happened yesterday, and I have lots to show you. I'm wearing a red shirt. You would not expect that, but I see you're wearing a green shirt. I'm wearing a red shirt because I did something not silly, but I seem to be very good at predicting where the market will not go. Let's dive in and see what I did. Let me share my screen with you.
Z, next time, every night, can we do a Zoom call and just tell me what you're going to do, and I'll just do the opposite?
Absolutely, up to.
You might be my my trick to making money.
Yes. All right, I'll move to a 15-minute chart of SPY. You can see between these two light blue areas is the day. And, oh, yeah, and that is the day. And you can see that yesterday we opened up. Actually, you can see the open is right below 303.50. This was like my line in the sand for believing the market was going down. And I had a top at 308 if it was going up, a bottom at 350 if it was going down. When I saw this price action start yesterday, and with the open below 303.50, I took that as indication of where things were going to go, and I positioned myself accordingly for the day to go down. So I am going to then predict. Let's see, what was I at yesterday?
What did you do?
I didn't have much to do much with. So basically I had a call, a SPY call. When I saw it opening below 303.50, I sold that, bought a put. And that's all the positions I had. I don't really have much money, so I couldn't do much else. And yesterday my net worth was 665. I know how it's been going lately, so I'm gonna say I'm at 400. Because I really don't have very many other positions. I do have another call, a SPY 316 call that I haven't sold yet. I've just been holding onto it in my portfolio. I don't think it rose much because it's so far out of the money. And then I have a MGM call that I also don't think has gone anywhere. So let's see what I'm at. A tiny bit higher than expected. I'm getting good at setting my expectations very low. But wow, you can see this put I bought yesterday, this 302 put, I was hoping would dump a couple $100 in the money yesterday. It went nowhere. Even my SPY call lost money yesterday. Even though SPY jumped from 304 to 307, this is a 316 call. So there's just no way that it gained money yesterday. It also lost. And you can see what I did on this SPY put is I bought it for for $330. It's now $137. Very, very unfriendly.
So let me just see your holdings right now. Okay, one Wells Fargo call, one SPY 302 put, SPY 316 call, MGM.
Yep.
Oh, fuck.
That's it. So 435. You can see that's not worth much money right now, and I have just a couple hundred in cash. Actually, I had 655 in cash yesterday. But actually, you can see what happened as soon as I sold my call, bought my put yesterday. I actually jumped up to 710. I was like, cool, it's going the way I want it to, and I went to bed. And yeah, that's fine. I couldn't have sold this anyway because Robinhood only allows you 3 day trades in a 5-day period, in a 5-day period. And I've already done that this week. And so if I sold this put, if it went the other way, then I would have been like in violation on my Robinhood account. So I didn't want to do that anyway. So I just have to accept these losses and sell it tomorrow, potentially, depending on where the market's going. So a very, very unfriendly day for me. Um, but so be it. It's the way things go. All right, that is it for me. I'm just going to go cry a little bit and then get back into things and try to figure this out.
As my Japanese friend likes to say, "Koso tare."
Oh, sorry.
Okay, recording. Yep, I'm wearing green. I hope I gained some money yesterday. Basically, all my holdings are in SPY and Facebook. Any meaningful holdings, I've sold almost everything away. All right, let me just pull up really quickly. I think I was at 8.4 yesterday or 8.2. No, 9 was a while before. Yeah, I was at 8.3 yesterday. I'm going to be conservative and say that I'm at about maybe 8.5, 8.6. I think I did the opposite of what you did. So hopefully that.
So you sold your puts, bought some calls.
Well, no, I didn't actually sell any of my puts. I was at the proportion that I wanted to be at. So as of end of day yesterday, let me just pull on the page. I'm always doing these like calculation thingies. Yeah, I mean, I'm always trying to just balance. I'm just worried about balancing. So I was at about, I had about $600 cash yesterday, which I think divided by 8,000 is just like 7% cash. I was holding 27% puts because my puts increase in value, and I dumped the rest of my cash into calls.
Got it.
So let's see. I'm predicting 8.5, 8.6 today.
Actually, there's quite a big jump yesterday, so you might be higher.
Maybe.
Fingers crossed.
Well, Facebook didn't really go up as much, and that's where the bulk of it is. But let's just see.
Got it.
What?
What? How?
Ouch. How that happened?
Based upon these numbers, it almost doesn't make sense. Oh, I guess your Facebook call, your DraftKings call, but it's not that much loss. That's only a couple hundred, and then you have a couple hundred in your SPY call that went up. Oh, you have the SPY put that went down. Wow.
How interesting. I guess my 308 SPY call did not go up as much as I thought it would. I bought it when I was expecting a much higher bump up from the SPY 308 because I bought it when it was down minus 0.3%, and then it jumped 1%. So,
Right.
Very strange, but I imagine that as soon as it's in the money, I think that story should change. I guess I lost. Where's my big losses? Anything big? SPY 310 put. Lost a lot of money on SPY 310 put, I guess.
And your Facebook as well.
Yeah, Facebook movement.
Yeah. So you lost money on your put and your call on Facebook.
Yep. Yeah, I lost money on that. 759. What did I do? That's disappointing. But yeah, so I bought 330. Yeah, I sold my 3 SPY 330 calls. Just want to get rid of them. And then I bought 308, 638. Let's see this real quick. I don't know why I don't get to see the movement.
Did you just buy it yesterday?
Yeah. Oh, so 1 week. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so I guess I bought it around there.
Huh.
Yeah, it didn't move up that much, I guess. I mean, I bought it here. Surprisingly, the SPY call really didn't move up that much.
Yeah.
So it went from minus to 1%, not a big jump.
Right. Well, I think you'd see the big jump as it's in the money, right? If SPY went from 308 to, let's say, 315, you would see a huge jump in this.
Yeah. And Facebook real quick. Let's just see this. 1 day. Not clear the movement, really.
Yeah.
Guess it didn't really. Yeah, bit of nothing. Okay. So that's it from me. Not much else to say except that what I'm planning to do tonight, all I care about now is just allocation. So I'm just gonna go back, look at what I'm at. I do have some um, stocks that I would love to get into. I really like, just generally, I'm basically loaded up in Facebook and SPY, but like if I could diversify, I just think, anyway, we're so close to the end of this competition that I think we just try to ride this out well.
Well, you're writing it out relatively well, so don't worry too much.
Okay, so post.
I
mean, post doesn't mean much, but let's just see.
Post is up to 308, I think. Yeah. That's good for your call, for sure.
Most things here are looking decent. So Facebook is facing some resistance right now because there's a lot of, and I'm fine with that actually. As soon as that dips, I'll sell the rest of my Facebook put. But it looks like Facebook's facing some resistance right now because a lot of companies are like boycotting Facebook advertising in July because apparently Facebook doesn't do enough to like clamp down on hate content.
Right.
You just scroll down, you see so a lot of companies are like boycotting Facebook right now. Main point is a lot of companies seem to be boycotting Facebook right now, and so that's probably the reason for the resistance. But man, these companies are going to suffer if they don't advertise on Facebook. It's really going to hurt their revenue. So we'll see.
Yeah. I mean, they'll come back eventually. I mean,
they'll come back.
Yeah, it's too powerful of a social network right now.
Yeah,
you're not going to kill your company over this. Though, yeah, maybe they'll get some pressure on Facebook to do something, but
yeah,
probably.
Cool. That's it for me. Let me close it out. Thanks so much for watching. Today I feel a bit silly wearing a green shirt, but I thought I'd just, even if I didn't gain anything, I'll just chalk it up to changing up my look because I think I've worn red every day for the last 5 days. So we still have one more day this week. Let's hope for some movement.
Please, let's finish in a nice way. If at this point I'm like, if I can get above 1K by the time we finish this challenge, I'd be very happy. That's horrible.
Cool. Well, if you like what you saw, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment.